Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this 2022 Jayco Jay Flight Baja 184 BS. This one's a little bunkhouse, so this one's awesome. I really love this one. Oh, and if you find this video informative or beneficial to you, like and subscribe, okay? Take a look at this storage. You got some storage on the outside right here, which is really nice. In the smaller trailer, you're really just trying to be compact with everything, right? Get you tow and go as soon as possible. You also got some nice tires right here. There's generally no tread on that one, which is really, really awesome and ready to go. You also got your outside awning here with the LED lights on the top as well. All right, let's come on inside. Like I said, guys, this is a bunkhouse and it's also a smaller rig, right? So 184 BS, we're talking like, 18 feet of just living space. So you got the dinette right here. You also got that bed as well. You also have the bunk beds right here. So like I said, that bunk bed right there does convert into a sleeping space, or sorry, the dinette. And then you also got some bunks here as well. Super nice and convenient, very compact and easy to go. You also got this microwave right here, as well as this 2-burner stove cooktop. Really nice. And then you also got a sink here with some nice counter space, okay? You want to be spending most of your time outside, not necessarily inside. So they've kind of minimized the space in here, but maximized the counter space right here. You also have the radio right there as well. And even some storage underneath here. And storage underneath here as well. You also got the nice size refrigerator. This is the 6 cubic feet, refrigerator, both gas and electric as well. Then you also got this bathroom. Go and take a look in there. Nice toilet, and you also got the square shower. It's not the little corner shower that you got, and it's with the skylight, so it has that natural light let in. So guys, if you like this trailer, feel free to just go ahead and give me a call. My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Would love to talk to you. Happy camping, and like and subscribe.